The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Friday morning, fellas. It is Friday. Guys, good morning. Happy Friday to you all. In about 3 hours, we start a long weekend. Yes, sir. Long weekend. Guys, good morning. Good morning to all of you. If you folks are, yes, it is well needed. Unfortunately, in the South, it's raining like we should build an ark. It's literally rained every day this week. In any event, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. The majority of you, your trials will end today. I want to thank you in advance for sitting in this week. I hope you have enjoyed the week. It has been, with complete candor, a very, very impressive week. Very impressive week. We do, coming into the session, we already have several funded traders. Here is our Friday. I want to congratulate Jacques, who's gotten funded yesterday. He messaged me late, and Chris Andrews emailed me as well. I want to congratulate those two traders. So Chris had one on Thursday and one on Friday. Guys, congratulations. Let's see if we can get some more today. I know we have a couple of guys, literally one within $8 and another within $9 of being funded. If anybody else is close, let me know. Markets have been choppy. We do have 8:30 news. No, Mimi, no, above 3,000. If you're doing 50,000, you need to get above 53,000. Markets have been a bit choppy, guys, since Europe. Your Ken is $150 away. We're going to get you funded today. We have news this morning, fellas, so we're not doing anything until 8:30. We have personal income, personal spending, which will surely drive the markets. But what we're interested in is core PCE. This is an inflation gauge, and it is the biggest gauge that the Fed uses. I think we're looking for 3%. It'll be on the site in about 10 to 15 minutes. We also have University of Michigan consumer sentiment, which I suspect is going to be a miss. Good morning, Tom, Ken, guy. By the way, Timo, guys, good morning. If I did not say good morning directly, good morning. We are getting a bid here, but I will do nothing until after the news. So we're getting some buyers. We do have buyers in the NASDAQ currently, and I'll go over that in a minute. Let me first read the disclaimer. And of course, it's not an easy spot to find. So now I have to go find it. So bear with me, guys. Looking. It's in my download somewhere, and I have to scroll through. There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Trade according to your own accounts. Trade according to your tolerance for risk. 2. Yeah, but you've passed 2, right? That's his second. Nice job, Dan. Congratulations to you. Many of those same people that were on vacation yesterday are probably taking today off. So I'm expecting light volume. But the NASDAQ is getting a nice bounce. The indices are getting a nice bounce. If we can get through the 21-day moving average, we're going to run into about 12,600. I'm not sure where we go from there. We are still in a bear market. We're still in a downtrend. Just a big oversold bounce. Here's the YM. The YM, again, like we talked about yesterday, got through the 21-day moving average and is now pushing this 52 period, sloping 52 period on the daily cloud. Hourlies are long. 10 minutes are long. We're above the cloud. We could get a pullback into support around 434. That's hourly support. ES above the 21-day should migrate north up to about 4,100. Remember, we've talked about that 4,100 to 4,200 area, possibly as high as 4,300, where I'll look to be adding puts up the keister. I think June's earnings are going to be disastrous. Hourlies, we are long. 10 minutes, we are long. Russell also just traded into, we talked about this yesterday, we traded into daily resistance, 52 period on the daily cloud is resistance. We are hourly long, 10-minute long currently. Crude finally has broken out. We got a breakout on crude. We broke out of this congestion. We are 10-minute shorts. We are hourly longs, but pulling back on the hourlies. So unless we come back below 110, we maintain hourlies. Gold, still kind of hit and miss. We've held the 200-day. We've eclipsed the 21-day. We're now going to trade up into the 52 period on the daily cloud. Above that, we get the 100-day moving average somewhere around 1888. Hourly longs, 10-minute longs. Gold, if we can get above this 70 area, 68 to 70, we're going to trade to that 88. Okay? Natural gas. Well, look at this. A pullback in natty gas. That's a first. We are hourly shorts. We are 10-minute shorts. And we are pulling back on the daily. I'd like to see a pullback somewhere into 881. We do have some cooler weather forecasted, so we could get a nice pullback in natural gas before it resumes its trend to at least $10 once the weather warms up. Bonds are currently 10-minute longs. They went long here at 6:10 this morning, 141. We are hourly. We are mired in the cloud. To go long, we're going to need a breakout above 141.18 to give us hourly longs. Looks like we're going to try to get to the 50-day moving average. Microsoft traded into its 21-day. We'll see if we can get a bump. Microsoft has really got to get above 271, and then it moves back into 283. Amazon is going to trade up into its 21-day moving average. Give or take 2280. So there's still some room in Amazon if we're going to get a bid. Hourlies were looking good. 10 minutes, we were looking good yesterday. SPYs pushed through its 21-day yesterday. I think SPY today can get to 415. Again, we have light volume. And that's where we're at, fellas. We have 8:30 news, so we won't do anything until 8:30. Let's see. Take a look at ES order flow. Long bar closed above VWAP, more than 4. Yep. So ES. Yeah. Okay. So Arjan, you took this stacked imbalance above VWAP for 462.50, and then got the point of control and up to the 68. Nice trade. Nice trade. Looking at order flow. So we have, believe it or not, we've got more than average volume on the NASDAQ at 106,000 contracts have traded. We do have currently 1,200 net buyers. ES, 177,000 contracts with 5,500 net buyers. A little bit higher than normal, but not a lot. Gold, we're still dealing with split volume. So the volume is light with 1,300 buyers. Crude, right around normal volume, maybe slightly higher with 700 current sellers. Here's bonds. So we'll see what we get, fellas. We're just waiting on news at 8:30. I think it should be on the site. Preliminary wholesale inventory, advanced goods. Here we go. Yeah, we're looking for on core deflator month over month at 3% versus 3% last year. So if this comes in line at 3% or lower, 2%, the argument will be inflation is peaked and is rolling. I think that's a false argument, but be that as it may. Year over year, we're looking for 4.9 versus 5.2. If core comes in above 3, grab your helmet and hit the bunker because we're coming down. 3 or lower, we will probably get a very decent bid. Personal income, looking at 0.5 versus 0.5. Personal spending down from the previous month, and we'll see what we get with that. So we have about 15 minutes to the news. You guys can go get coffee, get a Red Bull. I've already banged out 16 ounces, chasing it with coffee now, and we will wait for the news. Oh, sheet. All right. That's one Apex account I'm done with for the day. Done with that account for the day. Let me change him on the bots. I don't think we're going to get many bot trades. Well, the bot would work on tabs, Timo, theoretically. The problem is if you what'll happen is, and it's happened many times, you turn your bot on and you go down through your tabs, and we've had traders that have. So, for instance, my bot is on. I have NQ, YM, GC, whatever, and they're all on. We've had traders turn them off and then email and say, my bots took trades. My bots, I turned it off. Because of the tabs, you'd have to shut off every single bot. People think because they turn off the one, it turns them all off. It does not. Nice job, Gary. Added 872 to 2 of his evaluation accounts. You're welcome. Nice job. I surely don't like these trades, but I'll let the bots trade them. I don't like these at all up here. $65 is first area of resistance, and it's a problem. Almost there. Come on, go get that first target, you rat bag. Nope, not yet. I didn't close the trade. If we get through 65, and I think we will, you can see I moved the second target all the way out to, there it is, first target. I moved the second target out to the third target. Yeah, I said bots on. We hit second target here, but I'm trying to get that third target, guys. I have YM on. I've got ES on. If we can maintain above that 65, this will push. If not, this will come back and take the stop at even. Okay, got it even. YM struggling, ES not doing anything. ES hit my target here, basically 95. We're in a pretty good resistance area here. Maybe a pullback to 425. Nice job, Mark. If you guys finish, send me your totals. Yeah, we're pushing pivots here, guys, on NASDAQ. Once we get above this 65, we're good. Here we go. Keep pushing. Here we go. YM not turning up yet. ES is pushing. Not going to get the long. Missed the long. Anybody qualified today, guys? We're going much higher. Much higher today. I don't have anything on CL and GC missed. The bots are on, but I don't have any trade. So let's see if we boom, 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 boom. Now we wait, guys. Here's 500. Nice job, Chris. Nice job. 5 accounts all up nice. 595, 825, 855, 810, and 735. Nice. We're going much higher. Arjan, nice. Another funded trader today, fellas. Congratulations. Nice job, Carl. Above your daily goal. Nice. All right, YM is going to take a long. I need $150, $155. Marco qualified. There we go. Need $155 for my next account, fellas. That's 5 today. We need a couple more, fellas. There's YM. Come on, buy them up. NASDAQ's over 500. Guys, this is just going to keep going. Ripping. Ripping. ES now at 41.05. That was the next level up I gave you guys. There's target 1 YM. So that now becomes support. Okay, out. YM bot. Let me take a look at this GC trade here. Yeah. Gold is going to take a short as well. Gold's going to have some support, guys, at 59.8. And we're first going to need to get through VWAP. And gold currently has a positive net delta of about 1,000, but I think we can work down to 58 on GC. There's gold. Crude maybe roll over. Gold is holding the top of the cloud on a small time frame. If it pushes down through another 3 ticks, we could work down to 58.3. I think we got a shot of that first target. I don't think first target, but our second target, but we'll see. I will not hold this long on gold. 61. We do have sellers. Nice job, Paul. We're back into where we broke from, holding support here. ES pulled back to 95 and bounced. Come on, gold. There's target one, guys. 15 ticks. Nice job, Ron. 15 ticks on the bot. I'm now at 420 on this particular account. So I've done 963 on one account, 420 on this account, and on my third account, I'm at 555. So I don't know that we can get to this third target, our second target, fellas, on gold, but I'll let her ride. If we get to that third target, the bot, of course, will shut off, and I'll be done on this account, and I'll have to change accounts. Okay, out. Huge buy. You got a 244, a 175 buyer in there. Huge 100 buyer, 50. We're going high. 300 contract buyer right here at 97. We're going higher, guys. There's a scalp, or there's a trade on the ES here, long. Ah, dang that. Huge buyers in here, fellas. Huge buyers. It's got to get above that 4105 on the ES. Gold is coming down, it looks like. slowly. All right, Ozzy. See you Tuesday, man. Have a happy Memorial Day. Got an offer sitting on ES here. 1,000 contracts at 4,100. I'm telling you, it's going higher, though. It's going higher, fellas. It's going higher. Look at these stack buyers in here. Look at these numbers. 100, 300 contract buyer. Fellas, those are institutions. That is no retail trader. Okay? Told you this is going higher. I hope somebody's in it. Here comes the high of the day. Okay, Hugo. We're going to have to get above 05. A break of 05 and this sucker goes. I'm telling you, those are institutional buyers there. These are not. Okay, Craig. Nice job, fellas. NASDAQ's. This will complete this. We should be able to trade to 10. $4.12. Oh, on the downside, $4.12. Okay. Offers on them at 410. It's nothing. 200 contracts. If we can get above 410, honestly, guys, my next level could be 4150. On YM. 32,855, Charlie. 32,855. Give or take. 850, 845 to 55, call it. Come on. This punk here with 300 sellers. Get out of here. This will end this account here, fellas. This will be over 500. More blocks, more 180 contract buyer here. You got a small 65 contract seller. Got to get above 10, maybe 11. Just chase this punk out of here. It's 300 contracts. Now, this account's done. This account is done. So let's 805. All right, guys. I personally have traded 3 accounts today. Yeah, Michigan consumer sentiment's going to be a miss. I'm up 963, 805, and 555 on 3 accounts. So they're done. The only one I may trade is the one I need to qualify another account. Let's see here, guys. I don't think we're going to get any other trades, any reversals. Ken Weiss is now funded. Another funded trader. Another funded trader. Been a hell of a week, guys. That's 6 today. Let's see where we're at for the week. This is our week, in case you guys haven't been here. 16 on Monday. 6 on Tuesday makes it 22. Wednesday was 6, 28. Hang on. 28. Thursday was 5, 32. And 6 so far today. We're at 38. I'd like to get 40 this week. We had 21 last week. YM pushing up nice, Charlie. Watch your target. You're getting pretty dang close, Charlie. Maybe 45. You want to take some risk off? Chad, another funded trader. Wonder how Buy Side Global's doing today. That's Chad, your fourth. Number 4, Apex. Come on, one more. We hit 40 for the week, fellas. Let's see what I need here on this one account. I need $154. I'll get that today, fellas. It's in the bag. There goes crude. We didn't even get a crude trade. Let me change accounts just in case. Just in case we get some more bot trades, guys. I think we're about done. Handles. And we got to 47. 48. I'm like, I got to be within $50 now of another funded account. It isn't much. President, let's see, what a effing battle. Was down 1750 from a combination of bot and personal trades. Got a chunk of that. Now you're up 110. Time for a break. Nice job, Peter. Yay, we got another funded guy. I will have to check mine to see how damn close I am. I know I'm within $50. Another funded trader today, fellas. That's 8 today. Congratulations, Salem. 8 today, fellas. 8 today. Jacques, Chris, Dan, Arjan, Marco, Ken, Chad, and Salem. Nice job, fellas. Nice job. I'm going to have to see you tomorrow, Gerardo. I'm going to have to probably shut up. Thank you, Peter. Thank you. Guys, again, if anybody is interested in trading in the afternoons with me, 1 to 4, and the rest of the, those of us that are in the afternoon for the month of June, it's $199 a month. Please email me. Oh, okay, Chris. Guys, also, I'm doing education tomorrow. As you guys know, the link is in the member area. So here's what I'm going to do, guys. 1 second. Give me 1 minute. I'm going to, there's our 9th funded trader. It should be good for a point. All right, hang on, fellas. Tim needs $113. I mean, these things, NASDAQ is just going to pop, guys, till it gets to 575. I'm telling you, it's going 575, right? We're going to big red. You got $100 in that trade. I have no doubt we're going up. There are no sellers here. $4,000. Let me get another account to trade. Hang on, guys. Let me go to put this on the DOM now that that's funded. Put that on the DOM. Put this on the DOM. All right. That's at 0. Yeah. All right. Nice job, Patrick. I don't know how I did miss today. I don't know how I missed you. I'm sorry. Patrick has 4. 4 today, Patrick? You qualified for 4 today? There we go, guys. It's 10 today. One guy with 4. 4 today. We're doing something right, fellas. We're doing something right. Anybody took that NASDAQ? Amin? Did you take that NASDAQ or Tim? You just got your totals. Okay. Guys, those of you that are on Amin is funded! Woo! Nice job, brother. I might as well just leave this sucker up and minimize it. Nice job, Amin. Wonder how Buy-Side Global's doing. They do have a funded trader. That's what I'm told. They got one. They do have one. Maybe he should be their head trader. All right, fellas. That's right, with the chipper. The old chipper. On the weekends, it chips ice. You can get a cold beer with it. Use the chipper to pop your beer cap. Again, fellas, I am Sicilian. I will never let up. That's just my nature. I will never let up. They picked the fight. Ray said buy side sucks. Tried them years ago. Yeah, they suck. They can't trade. They can't trade. They pretend. They're pretend guys. So for those of you guys that don't know, just in case you guys don't know, those morons at Buy Side Global, BSG for short, did a webinar trying to hawk their auto trader, which makes like literally $15 a trade. That's their average. Literally, no exaggeration. You can look at the video that Dean has recently done. And in their webinar, they took a whack at me. This guy, Bob Amico, sends out emails every day, unsubstantiated. Really? Yeah, seriously. Unsubstantiated. I don't know. 65 funded traders in a week. Since last Friday. Now, that goes back to a week ago Monday when we started, but exactly, Mark. I mean, listen. If you ain't somebody, they ain't going to take a shot. Nobody takes shots at nobodies. Mark, you keep saying that. I mean, I've heard you say it, and you're just one of those guys. I mean, I don't know why I can't